our adventure. We're gonna cross the bridge. Possession Bridge.
Happy takot na ako! Come on, Happy, come on!
Come on, guys. Oh my God, may camera.
Happy!
Hi, guys! Seryoso kayo dyan ah. Tingin naman.
Happy!
Mukha na talaga tingin na tingin. Yan o. This is our trip to Lincoln. Papakita ko yung ilalim.
Happy!
Oh my God.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Meron ba nito sa Pilipinas?
Meron ata eh.
Wala yata.
Sa San Juanico Bridge.
San Juanico Bridge? Yung bridge talaga yun.
Ganyan yung kalalim. Ah, it's shaking! Oh my God!
Keep moving.
Oh, sorry. Wow, it's a fall. So nice. Ba't tayo nag-stop?
Kasi nag-stop ka.
Hi guys, smile naman kayo dyan. Kaya, mana, nasa ka na muna. Ang tagal ng trip natin. Ano ba? Traffic! Traffic! It's traffic.
Happy.
Woo! It's so nice up here. Oops, shit. Ay, ang layo naman.
Guys, let's go.
Diba na yung nag-video ko?
Okay, Happy.
Ay, naka-coach bag ko. Mana, nasa ka na?
Wala si Fiona. Sorry, Fiona.
Ang tagal ng video na to ah. In fairness. Ang water. Hey guys! Almost done! Almost done!
We're almost there.
Almost done.
Too much traffic.
Traffic lang, traffic.
Holy shit. Come on, come on. Faster, faster. Bayaran tagal na yan.
We're almost there, Happy. Almost.
La 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 la. Dream! Believe!
Diba?
Stop!
Ito na. Woo!
Nasa na mga, ano natin? Contestant.
Pada.
Okay. So, how was your trip?
Traffic.
Did you say something?
We live to Lincoln Canyon Suspension Bridge.
Yeah. Hell yeah!